today we are going to prepare okra stew, and okra stew. Nigerians call it okra soup. However you call it, come to Kashmir and buy this beautiful okra that you see them at the corner. This is white river or garden eggs. Very nice. Look at how fresh, how beautiful. You can get them from Kashmir supermarket in Leeds, Beeston, West Yorkshire. You can come all the way from Hull, Doncaster, Huddersfield, Wakefield, Hull, and many places around Leeds. So come and grab yours. Guys, you can't prepare okra stew without moko. Look at that. This is moko. How beautiful, nice. Why is zongo? Everything come to Kashmir and shop. It's as simple as ABC. That's a my way here. One in the yes, one pay with your okra stew. Na my na konda them no. Pocho, stay here and let's make this together. Everything no mumbo. Bye bye. See peace, ban papa. Ya Hilda's kitchen. Good food always made in it. I'm coming to prepare okra stew, and I'm going to use this is stomach towel. I got it from Kashmir supermarket. It was very affordable. They still have some available. When you go, just ask if they have stomach or shaki, and I love this. I'll be using some for my okra stew, as you are seeing, and some for my nkatankwana koko. Charlie, today is going to be today. Don't skip through my videos. Get ready on my start, because I'm going to bombard you on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Snapchat. Always Hilda's kitchen. Everything na mumbo na wale should be say abe true me chance kama. Na me be your stew as in yes, what's a tom? Everything what's a tom and kasenti. Don't skip through it. Everything na mumbo njiji it. Papi. This is my diced onion, some rosemary and pepper, some salt. We are going to add water. Start our okra stew, and today look at the oil I'm going to use to prepare my okra stew. Yes, this is Ghana Taste Zomi palm oil. I love this so much. This is 1 liter, available at Hilda's Kitchen WhatsApp shop, or on Kashmir at Kashmir supermarket. Anywhere is good. Buy some. If you find yourself in Kashmir supermarket, feel free to order some or buy some from there. They also have Uber Eats, so very, very easy, convenient at your own time. Yes, Orokodo, don't skip through this video. I'm not going to take much time. Okra stew on channel. I've been naming my shiny yesha obey assembly and nazibi. This is my onion. Everything I have been kakra. Over here I have some supuku. This is supuku and some salted beef, nicely washed. Yeah, in chinene if you come. And the butcher baby will be no Hilda's kitchen. Mr. Page baby ala mammy be more. Cross you so the medium cats and planet watch papa no. Everything at this time, I'm going to add in my blend, which is pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic, and some cloves. Yeah. It's banana onion. Don't let cooking take over you. Take over it. Yeah. Everything I say, busy ban papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. Everything mom bonji data. Good food. Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yes, ban papa. At this point, don't waste time, because at the end of the day, they are going to cook together. So I'm going to add in my chopped tomatoes. Yeah, I got it from Aldi. Aldi is my best supermarket. I always cut my clothes according to my size. Or record papa no. It's one papa chin or record. On this note, this is garden eggs, nicely diced beautifully, and I won't boil it, or I won't boil it before. I'm just adding them to the okra stew. This is the stew, and I'll add some water, rinsing from the tomato can. I'm going to cook this for about 20 to 25 minutes before we add the rest. So don't skip through the video, yeah? Get your okra from Kashmir supermarket. Okra stew na area. Yeah, orokodo. One more bonji today. It's I've got some kakobi waha. Let's add some. Buy this from Kashmir supermarkets. You can also buy some from Hilda's Kitchen. Buy some from Kashmir supermarkets. So this is our stomach, another shaki, the one we boiled before. That's what we are adding. So we have some eban. I've got available the way you are looking at it in pepper at Hilda's Kitchen. Very affordable. Eban is a good. Okra stew by come okra isuna. All these are mangoes or don't have boko. Look at how swine. This is for customer. Christina Maya and a pumpkin. Well, it's a name the Yamian market working. Order it in Boku. Na enjoy. It's when I would think on an cousin. Or yeezy ban papo. Don't skip through it. Adding some salt. As in China to me, maybe I need a okra. I am no. And why did you come? Is it wood? Baby. Boko. Example, Gary Nesba can na eba menu agua na de a pietzo at so nine minimum woman fa able to pay this from come show. Able to make this more and for what Mamma can woman born data. CC on a very, very low heat, going to allow it to cook for less than 10 minutes and then the okra stew is ready. If you have ways okra stew na I'm when you are going to the bachelor. No, I'm more double in size. We don't want that. It's a Audrey with Mama Dash feeding boko. Papi. Yes, stay tuned. Shazo. So finally the okra stew no why relax come quite with the nyama womb it was shaku womb eben womb kako womb beef womb mommy he was feeling the busy on odem wow look at that we finish as and tries eben womb kako na kampa. Thank you for watching. Hope you can try this my simple method of making my okra stew. Shennaman. It's easy. Cha. We are not sure come at it. We are not man chill cook. And I man fanta. Yee. Ebsia benkuno okra stew na my kama. Timpocho a shane when you watch him okra stew style no Share when you are doing one. And don't forget to leave your nice comments under the video. No, not shadowing the Heather's Kitchen, my eyes, lazy bunny on the foam. Thank you for watching again. Bring your okra stew. No, na menya mo na fakeshe fridge mlezi nkakra. Na mombo weto no hwehwe na akondo. Nkuto okumpu enyi. Everything is on points. Points plus points equal to 2 points. Yeah, bet you 10 points. Well, I'm coming. Bye bye.